Welcome to Two-Point Perspective. This is on drawing basic forms. Two-point perspective is a system of drawing forms that helps create the illusion of deep space. There are two vanishing points to which all things would eventually fade in the distance. These vanishing points are usually on the edges of a drawing on the horizon line or eye line, that is, the level your eye would be when looking at the scene. They may also be off the page, but still along the extended horizon line. Two-point perspective differs from one-point perspective obviously because we now are working with two vanishing points, one at each end of the horizon line, and not in the center. Rules for working with two-point perspective are as follows. All lines must be made with a straight edge. That's a ruler, a triangle, or a T-square. All vertical lines must be vertical. All other lines must connect to the vanishing points. Please note that the only horizontal line in the drawing is going to be the horizon line. There are three kinds of lines that can extend from any given point, just like in one-point perspective. In two-point perspective, they are vertical lines, lines connecting to the left vanishing point, and those connecting to the right vanishing point. All vertical lines will be drawn in black on these exercises. All lines lining up with the right vanishing point will be in red, and all lines lining up with the left vanishing point will be in blue. In the exercises you'll be drawing, you'll be doing those strictly in pencil. You do not need to use different colors. So we're going to begin drawing a basic box in two-point perspective. The first thing you will do is draw a horizon line across the page. Mark the left and right vanishing points. Second, draw a vertical line completely below the horizon line. This line is going to be the central vertical line. I will continue to refer to it as the central vertical line. You can mark the top and bottom points if you like. 3. Connect the top and bottom ends of the central vertical line with each vanishing point. Notice you must do both sides. Then, for 4, draw a vertical line on both sides of the central vertical line between the top and bottom lines that connect to each vanishing point. 5. Connect the top of the vertical lines drawn in step 4 to the opposite vanishing points. Remember rule number 4, that is, there are only 3 kinds of lines that can connect to any point. That is a vertical line, a line to the left vanishing point, and a line to the right vanishing point. Boxes drawn above the horizon line show the bottom of the box, not the top, but otherwise are drawn in the exact same manner. Two-point perspective, assignment number 1. You're going to use a sheet of daily assignment paper to draw a series of boxes in two-point perspective. Your paper will be horizontal. Draw a horizon line across the center of your page. Place the vanishing points at the ends of the horizon line, at the edges of your paper. All your boxes will use these vanishing points for the perspective. Make sure that your vanishing points are at the edge of the paper. So all vertical lines must be made with a ruler. All vertical lines must be vertical. All other lines must connect to the vanishing points. This is going to create your illusion of depth. So, your assignment. You're going to draw 3 boxes above the horizon line. You will draw 3 boxes below the horizon line. And lastly, you will draw 3 boxes that cross the horizon line. Darken the outlines of each box and erase any guidelines. Remember to write your name and the date in the corner of your paper. Good luck.